Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by finding the real bottleneck. Open Task Manager or GPU-Z and watch usage, clocks, and temperature in real time. Once you see which process is pegging the GPU, make sure to close non-essential background apps. This immediately frees cycles. Update the GPU driver if it's old, but don't restart yet. Set Windows Power Plan to high performance. These first actions stop guesswork and prepare the system for targeted adjustments that follow. Next, you change rendering behavior to reduce constant 100% load. In the app or game, drop resolution one step and cut shadows and post-processing. These are GPU-intensive. Then enable a frame rate cap or VSync so the GPU stops rendering extra frames it doesn't need. Open your GPU control panel and set power management to balance performance and efficiency or prefer consistent performance. This reduces erratic peak usage. Once done, test a short session to measure the drop and fine-tune. To finish, you verify stability and address remaining issues. Run a 10-minute playtest or synthetic stress test and watch for 80 to 95% GPU usage. That indicates healthy headroom. If usage refuses to drop, perform a clean driver reinstall or roll back to the previous version. Driver bugs often lock usage. Also inspect temperatures and power connectors and disable overlays and recording software that force full render. If problems persist, reboot into safe mode and test without third-party utilities.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.